Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. We are broadcasting from Gravity 2 and today we are looking at Module 2 Lesson 1, Module 3 Lesson 1, and we're going to follow the instructions here. These instructions are asking us to set these points on the number line. So this is 0 and 1 should be here at the end. Now they want us to show 0 thirds, which obviously should be where there's 0 thirds. The next one is 1/3. Well, before I do that, I think what the denominators are telling me is that I have to divide the number line in 3 parts. So I'm going to do just that. Now I need to label them. So this is 1/3. This is 2/3. And obviously the 1 equals 3/3. So far so good. So that's how you represent these on a number line. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing right here. We're going to divide this because we're working with thirds. I'm going to represent 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, and 1/3 on each of these boxes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to divide it in 3 parts. Why? Because the denominator tells me that's 3 parts, and this one, the denominator says 3 parts, and the denominator tells me again divided in 3 parts, and the denominator tells me again divided in 3 parts. Now I'm going to highlight the numerator, which says highlight 1 part, which is 1 out of 3. There you go. This one that says the same thing tells me to just color one side because it's 1 out of 3, and this one as well. So now to find equivalent fractions for 1/3, what we got to do, we have to divide the picture and into parts. So let's do this. So this is, we're going to multiply this by what? Well, we're going to multiply in 2 parts. See, that's part 1 and this is part 2. So that's going to be the multiplication. 2 times 1 equals 2 and 2 times 3 equals 6. So now we know that 2 sixths is the same as 1/3, and it's represented right here. This is 1/6, this is 1/6. When you place them together, that equals 2 sixths. Let's do the same thing, but this time we're going to create three more.